Hello everyone. Today we will learn what are the types of cloud or what are the deployment models in a cloud. These types of cloud are important in interview point of view. Interviewer may ask different types of cloud. So before moving to the what are those types of cloud, now let's assume that with an example that let's assume Ganesh wants to start a business that this business would be only for his family or only for personal or for everyone. Like Ganesh wants to start a business. This business would be for his family or for his personal use or for everyone. If I am starting a business, I should start it for everyone. That's then only I can get the profit. Obviously, right? Then Ganesh business is for everyone. It is means this is a public business. Okay. Now Ganesh wants to start a business for his friends or only for his family. Then it is a private business. Now Ganesh want to make a control on his business. Like Ganesh will decide this business should be for everyone or should be for only for friends or family. Then it is a hybrid business. Same, there are three types in cloud. What are those three types? Let's understand. First is public cloud. Second is private cloud. Third is hybrid cloud. What are three types of cloud? Public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Okay, now we are learning AWS, so let's take example of AWS. Now AWS wants to provide the services to everyone. There can be the multiple services like S3, EC2, CloudWatch, anything. So AWS wants to provide these services to everyone, so it should be the public cloud. Okay, then what is private cloud? There is example of IBM. IBM provides services within the organization only. It is a private cloud, and hybrid is combination of both public and private. Then let's understand the definition of public cloud. Providers service which is accessible by everyone. Provider service which is accessible by everyone is a public cloud. What is definition of public cloud? The provider service which is accessible by everyone. Okay. Then what is private cloud? Provider service which is accessible within organization only. What is private cloud? Provider service which is accessible within the organization only. Then what is hybrid cloud? Combination of both. It's simple. Public cloud means, for example, AWS wants to provide his services to everyone. That's why it is a public cloud. Private clouds means provider service which is accessible within the organization only. It is a private cloud, and hybrid cloud means both. Means in hybrid cloud we can take control whether to put it as public or whether to put it as a private. Okay, those are the types of cloud. Interviewer may ask what are the types of cloud or what are the deployment models in cloud. uh, if sometimes interviewer may ask you like which service sorry which deployment model or which type of cloud your organization is using. So mostly if we are using AWS, so we can say that we are using public cloud because our services is accessible to everyone. Now in next video we will understand what are the types of services. There are multiple types of services like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. We will understand these types of services in details, so it will be the long video. So I kept it separate videos for types of cloud and types of services, so there should be not make any confusion in this video. So in next video we will understand what are the types of services.